Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Ankr price prediction and Ankr news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Ankr in 2022. Ankr is an Ethereum token powered by the Ankr WEB3 infrastructure platform, which serves as a decentralized financial platform for cross-chain staking. It is designed to make working in the blockchain ecosystem simple and affordable. In it, you can create decentralized applications, run nodes and participate in staking. The Ankr token is used to pay for services on the Ankr platform, such as API services and node deployment, and also acts as insurance for network members, and allows participation in blockchain governance. The Ankr network was founded in 2017 at the University of California at Berkeley, as a distributed computing platform that takes advantage of blockchain technology. Co-founder Chandler Song was an engineer at Amazon Web Services, and is now CEO of Ankr, while co-founder Ryan Fang was an investment banker at Morgan Stanley. WEB3 As WEB3 has continued to grow and evolve, so too do the platforms that exist in this space. With the funding, Label Foundation will be able to enhance the platform and bring over new intellectual property, IP, holders, as well as finance all development-related expenses that arise with time. Label Foundation, a South Korean NFT infrastructure, is operated by the founders of the music learning platform, OpenTrack. Through this, they are revolutionizing the content industry by attracting world-class talent through its incubation system and well-known IPs to their platform. It operates a fair profit-sharing system created through effective system integration. OpenTrack is a MOOC-style music platform that allows students to learn at their own pace. OpenTrack 2.0 was recently announced with improved interoperability with the label dApp. The new version makes the transition of IP rights an easier, smoother, and more transparent process. World-class artists have already begun moving their IP rights to the OpenTrack platform. Aaron Spears, who has worked with the likes of Lady Gaga and Lil Wayne, BTS producer Doscom, 11-time Grammy winner Philip Lassiter, and others are moving on to the brand new label infrastructure. Not only can students learn various instruments, but they are also able to interact with world-class musical talent to help them hone their skills. Classes are taught by real-world music experts across a number of specializations. Label Foundation's core team is building the NFT infrastructure for content creators, musicians, and fans, while initial IPs are supplied by Ableton's certified parent sister company, OpenTrack. Label Foundation promises a fair profit-sharing distribution system for artists and P2P investments, as well as eliminates the high barriers for entry into the music industry. According to recent research carried out by Citigroup, creators and artists only receive YA profits from a song or 12% of total revenue. This unfairness is the reason Label Foundation decided to utilize blockchain technology to create a fair system where creators and artists do not have to go through middlemen to get their profit. With Label, artists would no longer have to worry about intermediary costs when receiving royalties. This would allow artists and content creators to be able to exercise full control over their art. Its latest strategic partnership with Ankr points to the progress made by the platform. Our team is willing to work towards improvements in the music industry by solving the biggest issues related to unfair profit sharing due to intermediaries' lion's share. Since we have huge expertise in the music and entertainment industry, we are aware of what kind of obstacles talented people face in the traditional music industry. Label Foundation about Groom Investments is an investment fund that conducts all-round investments in the prospective companies and holds a portfolio comprised of the Smart Study, Crowdworks, Pre-IPO Stage, Bespin Global, accumulated investment of 209 billion KRW, and CARM. About Ebist Investment and Securities Company Limited. Ebist Investment and Securities Company Limited is a company that provides financial-related services to its clients. Founded in 1999, the company is located in South Korea and is listed on the KOSDAQ. Ebis Investment and Securities Company Limited engages in the brokerage, dealing, and underwriting of securities businesses, in addition to covering stocks, options, futures, government bonds, corporate bonds, foreign securities, and financial derivatives products. Ebis Investment and Securities Company Limited also provides consulting services and is involved in the proprietary trading business. Is the case with each party giving up something. Thus, there is nothing left to adjudicate. Plaintiff sued for a refund and received a full refund. When the United States tenders full payment of a refund even during litigation, no case or controversy remains, and the refund claim is moot. Moreover, the Dodge disagrees with the position that the jurors can seek to get a court ruling on staking income by refusing to accept the refund. The Dodge argues that the court can issue a refund for any reason other than the one raised by the taxpayer. The jurors also initiated this lawsuit to find out the reasons behind the IRS issuing a refund, so they, and others, can use this as a basis to protect themselves from future IRS scrutiny on similar matters. The Dodge stresses that prospective relief is unavailable in a refund suite. Each tax year is unique, and a court ruling related to a certain tax year cannot be relied upon to get relief for future years. In certain cases, there are exceptions to the concept of moot mentioned here. The Dodge also explains that the juror's case is not eligible for any of these exceptions to warrant a court case either. For all the above reasons, the Dodge believes that the court should dismiss the case. The jurors getting a refund check from the IRS was an exciting moment for the crypto community. The community appreciated the jurors' attempt to take the case to the court without just accepting the refund to get an official ruling and set precedent for other stakers. Although this was an ongoing case with a pending resolution, by relying on facts presented in jurors' complaint, some crypto users prematurely believe that staking income should not be taxed at the time of receipt. Unfortunately, the new information presented in the motion for dismissal showed that the jurors' case is not strong enough case to rely on yet. It will also be interesting to see the jurors' response to this motion of dismissal. Until the IRS issues further guidance, it is conservative to report staking income at the time of receipt. That said, some taxpayers could still decide not to report staking income by relying on the primary tax principle mentioned on jurors' complaint. Newly created property is not taxed at the time of receipt, they are taxed only at the time of sale. So next news. Russia ban in focus as MetaMask, OpenSea abide by US sanctions. Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, said while it will comply with US sanctions in blocking certain Russian entities, it will not impose a blanket ban. Let's take a look at the near future of AMP coin. But before diving into AMP price prediction and discussing the numbers that might bore you for no reason, let's talk about AMP's history and background on the market, and how it helps the blockchain solve its problems. Is AMP a good investment? How much will AMP cost in 2025? Or how much will AMP cost in the next 10 years? AMP rate prediction 2022. The value of AMP will continue to rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2022 is bullish. AMP is expected to reach a maximum bid of $0.037 by the end of 2022, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of AMP will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of AMP will be between $0.031 and $0.032 expected in 2022 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of AMP ranges from $0.031 to $0.037 for 2022. AMP rate prediction 2023. It appears that by 2023, AMP prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be $0.045. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that AMP's maximum price could be up to $0.053 in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. AMP rate prediction 2024. AMP has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in AMP, the price could rise much higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.076. AMP is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.066, a minimum price of $0.064, and a maximum price of $0.076. AMP rate prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other